Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Dipole moment questions get easy fast when you compare shape and bond polarity instead of guessing from size alone. So watch this quick breakdown carefully.
Start by spotting the options whose bond dipoles cancel because of symmetry. Molecules like CS2 and the similar symmetric choice end up with little or zero net dipole moment. Now check option A, BRF. It is a heteronuclear diatomic molecule, so there's only one polar bond and nothing can cancel it, which makes its net dipole strong. So the biggest dipole moment belongs to the molecule with uncanceled polarity, and that points straight to BRF, which is option A. Well done! Option A. Scan now. Don't rush signs or symmetry. Trust the given structure and check cancellation before choosing the largest dipole.